This is a midweek follow-up to last week's Maitland Local Court episode after you guys asked me a few questions. Namely, you asked why I thought the case was interesting for us, the community, to hear about. Just to recap, the case is the alleged very high range drink driver who crashed into traffic lights at East Maitland. We are still waiting for sentencing. I hope we get to hear about it for 4 reasons. I'm clearly not at court today. I'll let you guess where I am and what I'm doing. First, the female driver blew .342. For us girls, anything near or over 0.3 generally means alcohol poisoning and or a coma sort of situation. So it'll be interesting to find out how the New South Wales Local Court deals with this very high range drink driver. Second, the driver allegedly refused to give the cops their name. So it'll be interesting to find out what the consequences of not giving your name to police are. Third, the driver allegedly refused a breath test. So it'll be interesting to find out what were the consequences for refusing the breath test. I think understanding the consequences goes to deterring us or the next driver from following in this driver's footsteps. Finally, will we, the Maitland community, hear about this Maitland case now that it has been transferred to Tweed Heads Local Court? By the way, the law allows cases to be transferred for sentencing elsewhere in New South Wales, but we haven't been told any of the reasons behind this. So it'll be interesting to see if the journalists can get the information out of Tweed Heads and bring it back to us here in Maitland. According to the newspaper story, sentencing is proposed to happen in May. So let's watch our news feeds and see if we get to hear the end of this legal story.